Read.
Steal, crack, whisk, bake.
Good job. Next page.
A cupcake.
Oh, it says here, a little book about little
Cupcakes.
cakes.
Yes.
Today is a special day. Let's make cupcakes.
This is okay again. This is me.
This is the kitchen.
This is me. Hope that timer and that's that thing like that one. A cup. Number 1.
That's 1 cup.
Yes, 1 cup. And what's that?
Let's find out. Here. First, we gather the ingredients. So what are the ingredients?
Salt, baking soda or powder.
Yes, baking soda.
Baking soda.
This is baking
Soda.
powder.
Baking powder.
And this is
Flour.
So, use your finger to drag each one to the counter. Go drag the salt. Put it in the counter.
First, flour.
Okay. Now next, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. So aside from those, what else are the ingredients that you saw here?
Egg.
Eggs. Can you count how many eggs are there? Count how many eggs.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, there are how many eggs again?
4.
There are 4 eggs. What else do we have here?
We have this one and
That's
this one.
Buttermilk, and this one is vanilla, and this one is sugar.
I will put it inside.
Let's go see what's next. So, the next thing that we're going to do, next we measure the dry ingredients and pour them into a bowl. So we need 1 teaspoon of salt. What's next? 1/2 teaspoon of baking
Powder.
S is for soda. Baking soda. Can you say
Baking
it?
soda.
So get 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. And next is 1 teaspoon. This is teaspoon of baking powder. Go get. Yes. Oops. The flour spilled a little. That's okay. Use your fingers to brush it off the counter. There you go. Next page. Right here so mommy can see it too.
Okay.
What's next? Time to mix. Let's use the, what do you call this one? Whisk. So swipe your fingers around the bowl. Go. That's enough. Now we measure the rest of the ingredients in another bowl.
Yes.
So all
You
that's,
put this one.
yes, that's vanilla. So all
And
that's,
put it in there. And then a cup of one. And what is this
that's
cup?
1/3 cup.
1/3 cup.
Yes, all that's left are the eggs. So tap each one to crack it and add it to the mix.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And then get one and crack.
I want 4 right there.
Crack. Another one. Crack. And 2. Crack. And the last one. Crack. Let's go see what's next. And let's shake it up. Shake the book to mix everything together in one bowl. So shake the book. That's right. It looks like they're done.
Mixing.
It looks like they're dancing.
Yes.
Now, carefully tilt the book this way to pour the batter into the pan. Shh. You do this.
She's going away.
Mm-hmm. Next
What
one.
about these ones?
Okay.
Okay, it's
Careful
done.
not to spill.
That one is done.
What's next? Now, let's send these cupcakes off to the
Done.
Say wave goodbye.
Bye-bye.
See you soon.
See you too.
So they're almost done. Only how many seconds? What number
10.
says? Yes, 10 seconds left on the timer. Where's the timer? Can you timer?
Okay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Ding, 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 ding. The time is up. The cupcakes are out of the oven, but too hot to frost. Be careful. What is he using? A fan and another fan. You can blow to help cool them off. Go, let's blow it. How many cupcakes did you make? Can you count?
Pink. Only pink, blue, pink.
Can you count them? How many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12.
10, 11, 12.
12.
You made 12 cupcakes.
12 cupcakes.
Now the cupcakes are cool. Look who's arrived. A beautiful bowl of, what do you call this one? Frosting.
I will like the one that is wearing circle sunglasses.
It says here, can you dip your fingers in the frosting, then swirl them on top of each little cake, just like this one. Shh, shh. You do it.
I want small flavor.
Okay. You get the frosting first. Here you go next.
Now the blue one is very big on it. That's better.
Did you put frosting
Yes.
to all of it? All right. Oh, what are this? This one. We forgot this page. Wow, these cupcakes look delicious, but something's missing. What do you think is missing?
Sprinkles.
Blow a kiss and see what happens. Go blow a kiss. What are these? Sprinkles. The cupcakes are done. And now we can share.
Can I do it again?
Some for friends, some for family, and some for you and me. Today was a special day because we spent it together.
I
We
want
did
it again.
it. Oh, go give some to Daddy too.